Now continuation of previous video, that if the sum is this type, prove that tan 90 into tan 27 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 63 degree, tan 81 degree equals to root over 3. This you have to prove. Now see, we know only the value of tan 60 from table, but other values we don't know. Clear? So from here you find out which angles are complementary. There are 4 angles, 9, 27, 63, 81. Now see which angles are complementary. 9 and 81, they are complementary. 90 coming, and 27 and 63, they are also complementary. Clear? So I am writing this and this together from left hand side, starting tan 9 degree into tan 81 degree, and other tan 27 degree into tan 63 degree into tan 60 value you know already, so write down root 3. Now here we'll change or we'll convert either 9 in terms of 81 or 81 in terms of 9. So tan 81 means what we can write, 90 minus 9. 90 degree minus 9 degree. Here also tan 27 degree, 63 means 90 minus 27. So 90 minus 27, and this value root over 3. Clear? Then what to do? Apply formula. Tan 9 degree, tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. Clear? Tan 90 minus theta means cot theta into root over 3, that value. Now tan and cot you know. Okay, I am writing this step. Cot means 1 by tan. Again 1 by tan into root over 3. This is cancelled out. So finally what we are getting? Only root over 3. So proved. Right hand side. Clear? These are important sums. You will practice. Okay. Then if the sum is this type, I am not getting the particular sum. Okay, if this cosec 2x plus 15 degree equals to sec 3x plus 30 degree. Find the value of x. I have told in previous sums that when cosec and sec equal sign is given in between them. So these are complementary angles. Clear? So what we can write? Sec theta means cosec 90 minus this. Clear? Now from both sides cosec we can cancel. So it is coming 2x plus 15 degree equals to 90 minus 30 means 60 minus 3x. Now 2x, this is coming 5x, and 60 minus 15, 45. So x is coming 9. Clear? Value of x is 9. Now if the sum is this type, if sum is this type, if sin square A plus sin square B equals to 1, then find the relation between A and B. Find relation between A and B. Clear? Here it is given this plus this equals to 1. But this is not any formula. Sin square A plus sin square B equals to 1 given. So from here I am starting. Sin square A equals to 1 minus sin square B. So sin square A is coming by using formula cos square B. When there is equal sign, so what we can write? We can write that sin square right hand side will be cos square B means we can write sin square 90 minus B. Clear? Cos theta means sin 90 minus theta. That formula I have applied. So this is coming 90 minus B. Important sum this one. So B is coming this side. A plus B is 90 degree. So what is the relation between A and B? A and B are complementary angles. Clear? Now if the sum is this type, okay, if this sum we will practice, this is important sum. Next one, A and B are complementary angles, means A plus B, it is given A and B are complementary angles, that means A plus B equals to 90 degree. Then prove that sin A plus sin B whole square equals to 1 plus 2 sin A into sin B. Clear? It is given complementary and you have to prove this. Now from left hand side I am starting. Sin A plus B 90. Now B convert to A in terms of A. So it is coming sin 90 degree minus A. We can write B equals to 90 minus A whole square. Now it is coming sine A plus, again formula sine 90 minus A means cos A whole square. This is the formula of A plus B whole square. Now we will apply algebraic formula here. A square plus B square plus twice A into B. Clear? Now this you know, again the formula sin square A plus cos square A equals to, all of you know, that is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So we are getting 1 plus 2 sin A into cos A. But we have to prove that right hand side is given 1 plus 2 sin A into sin B. So this one will convert in terms of B. 1 plus 2 sin A into cos A. Cos A I can write 90 minus B. Why? As A plus B equals to 90 degrees. So A equals to, you can write 90 minus B. Now again formula. Cos 90 minus B means sin B. So this is my right hand side. So it is proved. Clear what you have done? So today I have solved from your board book also and from 2 different reference books. You will practice this chapter. It is an important chapter for board exam. Clear? All the best.